Good morning, children. In this video we are going to learn number bonds 13.6. Children, here number bonds means word problems. So we will see the first one. Prasad walked 2 kilometers 400 meters to school. While returning, he took a shortcut which was 1 kilometer 200 meters long. How much distance did he cover in all? So children, while going to school, he went 2 kilometers 400 meters. But while returning home, he took a shortcut and within 1 kilometer 200 meters he came home. So final distance he covered is how much? So will you add or subtract, ma? Yes, you will add in all. All means always addition. Okay, total is also one more word which you will do addition. So we will see the solution of it. See the working. Distance travelled by Prasad to school. How many kilometers? 2 kilometers 400 meters. Distance travelled by Prasad while returning home. That is 1 kilometer 200 meters. So in all means total distance covered, we can say. That is nothing but addition. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, now we'll see the second one. Satish has 5 pieces of string, each 1 meter 20 centimeter long. He joins the 5 strings. Is the length of the joined pieces less than, equal to, or greater than 5 meters? Children, string is nothing but thread. So he is having 5 pieces of thread, each measuring 1 meter 20 centimeters long. So if he joins all the 5 strings, okay, so after joining 5 strings, will it be greater than 5 meters or less than 5 meters or equal to 5 meters? Okay, so first what we are going to do, we are going to add all 5 times. So we can add, but what can we do, children? Instead of adding 5 times, we can multiply with 5, no? Repeated addition is nothing but multiplication. We will see the working. So the working of this is, the solution is, length of each piece is 1 meter 20 centimeter. Length of 5 each pieces. So 1 meter 20 centimeter into 5. It is nothing but when we multiply, it is 5 zeros are 0, 5 twos are 10, 1, 5 ones are 5, 6. So last 2 are centimeters. These 2 are centimeters and this is meters. Now no number in centimeters, so it is nothing but 6 meters. So after joining 5 pieces of string, okay, what is the length we got? It is 6 meters. So 6 meters is greater than 5 meters which they have given. Okay, children, so this is the solution of the second sum. Now we are going to see the next exercise. Let us continue. Now children, you can see in this lesson we have already seen that we are going to learn about length, weight and capacity. As we have already seen that these 7 we have to learn in an order. That is mm, cm, dm, m, dam, hm and km. In the same way for weight, it is mg, grams. Okay. milligram, centigram. Okay, in place of m we have to place it g. Okay, so dg, g, dag, hg, kg. Capacity means liters. Okay, liquid, we will measure the liquid in liters. As we have seen in the first, I'll show you the picture. See here children, this is the liquid T. We are measuring in liters, milliliters. Okay, bucket of water, liter. This is again the liquid which we will measure in liters. Because water in the bucket is more, we are going to measure in liters. But whereas tea in the cup is measured in ml, as we have seen here. Okay, so ml is the least unit, milliliter, and this is the highest, kiloliter. Okay ma, now we are going to learn about weight. Okay, now we will see the brain booster. 13.7. So first one is convert the following into grams. 72 kg is given. We need to change it into grams. So children, if you write this all 7 units, it will be very easy for you to do the sums. Now 72 kg is given, so kg is here, the highest unit in weight. Okay, so from here we have to change it into grams. Gram is where ma? Here. So from kg we have to change it into grams. So from left we are going to jump towards right side. How many jumps? From this place, 1 jump, 2 jumps and 3 jumps. How many jumps? Jumping. How many jumps? Now you are in kg, no? So how many jumps? 1, 2, 3. So 3 zeros will come. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Now for 72 kg, it is 72 into 1000 grams. So 72 ones are 72, 3 zeros in the answer and grams. We have changed kgs into grams, which is asked. Now 56 kg, 72 grams. Okay, so again gram is already in gram, so we will change this kg into gram. Now it is 1 kg equal to 1000 gram, as we have already seen. So now 56 kg is equal to 56 into 1000 gram. It is 56,000 gram. Now children, 56 kg 72 gram equal to 56,000 we got here, and in grams place we should have 3 numbers. Okay, so we have kept 0 in hundreds place because the value 72 should not change. If we keep 0 in the last, it will become 720, but it is only 72. So we will add 0 in hundreds place. Okay, then we will add both the numbers. So it is 56,072 grams. Now we will see the second bit. Convert the following into milligrams. Where is milligrams? It is the last smallest unit. From where ma? From grams. So from grams we are going towards right side. So normal multiplication means just keeping zeros, not the fraction. From left to right it is normal multiplication, that is normal zeros. So 1 gram equal to 1000 mg. So 4235 grams equal to 4235 into 1000 mg. So after multiplying we will get mg. how much? 42,35,000 mg. We will see the third bit. Convert the following into kilogram. Now children, as we see here, gram is given and we have to find out, convert it into kilogram. So from gram we are taking to left side. That means fraction will come. So 1 gram equal to how many kgs? 1 by how many gems from gram? 1, 2, 3 gems. So 3 zeros will come in the denominator place. Okay, so this you need to know the relation between gram and kg. Now we have 6,778 gram equal to whatever is there, the number in grams, we have to keep it in the numerator, and those many, so we have 1000 in the denominator. So when fraction is removed and written in the decimal number, so how many zeros? 3 zeros. So after 3 numbers, point should come. Okay, that many kgs. Okay, that means it is nothing but 6 kg 778 grams. Okay, that it is understood. Now in the same way, 2643 gram. So 1 gram equal to, from gram we have to change it into kilogram. So 1 gram equal to 1 by 1000 kg. This is also same children. So whatever grams are given, write it in the numerator by 1000 kg. So 3 zeros, after 3 numbers keep point. So 2.643 kg. Thank you children.